Mining investors have a fine balancing act to maintain between the needs of its key stakeholders, which are the community, its employees, government, and its shareholders.
Unless all four needs of all four are met, then that mining project, it's only a matter of time for it to fail. And the solution cannot be dictated unilaterally by any one of those parties. And that's actually the problem we see in South Africa and in many countries throughout Africa.
Investors looking at Africa's extractive sector have to look at three things: the size of the asset, its grade, and the potential production. Secondly, they look at infrastructure, or the pit to port route, and the cost of developing that route if necessary.
The third is around issues around the regulation, security, stability of legal matters, law, rule of law, and social stability, political stability, and so on. So I think all those three things, to the extent that those three things are in place, that project becomes, and that jurisdiction becomes more favorable.
While these issues are simple to articulate, they do highlight potential risks that potential investors always consider.
Well, I believe that any investor would be really worried about uncertainties in terms of if I invest money, how easy is it to get it back when I need it? So any investor would be looking for a country that offers a political, social stability and respects contracts. That's basic things for me.
Competition between BRICS countries may have been brushed under the carpet at the recent summit held in South Africa, but it's real between Brazil and South Africa because both countries are exporting minerals and metals to a third BRICS country, China.
When it comes to commodities especially, there is competition. I think it's good that we have competition in the market, but I also believe that if demand is there is a market for every country. It's just a matter of quality, efficiency, and then the market will decide who they should be buying from.
Africa is not the only game in town. It's a buyer's market, and investors will look at other countries that offer a complete package.
There's a new imperative in the mining and metals sector on the continent, and it involves the three players playing a pivotal role. I'm Angelo Coppola for CCTV in Maputo.